Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the fatal error crash in Clair Obscur. So this will usually happen because of missing file, outdated drivers, or maybe some system conflicts. It's not a game-breaking bug, so you can fix it with some few steps. As an example, let's try verifying the game files. If you use it as an example, or if you download it through Steam, you can go just to Steam, right-click as an example on the game, go to properties, then you can go to installed files. You'll find here verify integrity of the file. So example, okay, open the demo, so that's why you found the demo right there. And yeah, you'll find verify integrity of the game files. All you need to do, just go and click on it, and this should make, as example, a repair on any files that are missing or maybe misbehaving or something like that. So make sure to check that. The second thing that you would like to check is checking the NVIDIA graphics settings. You can go, as example, to whether NVIDIA like GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenal, depending on what you have, as example. So if you have the GeForce now, or not now, sorry, this is different stuff. So NVIDIA like control panel as well work. Let me just go and close this. So and check if your drivers are updated as well. Of course, you can do that also in the device manager if you want to. You can go, as example, right here and look for display adapters. As an example, you should find this right here. Make sure to go and click on update driver, an example, and see if there are any updates for your drivers. Also, as an example, sometimes running the game as administrator might work for you, especially if you have some firewall like blockage or something like that. This will fix permission issues that can cause crashes as well. Also, you'd like to disable the overlay. It sometimes works. You can turn on overlay like Discord, Steam overlay, GeForce Experience, and these sometimes cause fatal errors. Also, one of the things that may causes you problems is the DirectX or Visual C++. Make sure to download the latest. As example, open any browser you want. You can type download example C++, and make sure to download example the latest C++ redistributor, and also an example the DirectX. So normally you should be able to download those, and if you haven't downloaded, don't worry, you can download this again. If it's downloaded, they'll tell you that, oh, it's already downloaded, you don't have to download it yet for you. One of the things that can work for you, as example, just go and open Steam again, go to the game as example, so not the build right, of course, your game. And in general, as example here, all you need to do is just add a simple launch option. All you need to do, just type -- and here you'll have to type DX11. This should fix also a lot of issues if you have that problem as well. So of course, don't delete it like I did because it's for a different game. Of course, if you have an Xbox Pass, you'll have to do the same. Go to the game, click on manage, go to files, and you'll find the verify files as well. You would like to do that as well. And these options, example, should fix most of your problems. Make sure, as example, to mention down below in the comment section which option, as example, of the ones that I mentioned fixes your problem. And if none of them, as example, fixes your problem, make sure to mention it again down below in the comment section so I can understand if I need to make another video. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.